students, today in this video we are going to discuss some of the previous year JEE questions based on the conformations of butane and ethane. Okay, in the last two videos I have discussed the conformations of ethane and butane. No? Now look at these questions. So first question, this was asked in 2023 and this is 2022. So here which of the following conformations are most stable? Now here it is the these are the conformations of, if you look at the diagrams, these are the conformations of Newman projections and the conformations of butane and butane. So here which of among the conformations of butane, which is more stable? Staggered form is more stable with a dihedral angle of 180 degrees. After that, gauche with a dihedral angle of 60 degrees. And after that, eclipsed form. This is, if you identify this one, this is the staggered or anti-form with a dihedral angle of 180 degrees. And it is eclipsed form with a dihedral angle of 0. Eclipsed form, these two are eclipsed forms with a dihedral angle of 0, and it is gauche conformation, gauche form with a dihedral angle of 60. So here, what is your answer? This is the most stable conformation of butane and butane. Clear? So here in the following structures, this is similar to this one. Second question, look at this question. In the following structures, which one is having staggered conformation with the maximum dihedral angle? This was asked in JEE 2022. Okay. So here, which is having staggered conformation? The following structures, which is having staggered conformation? Here, this is gauche. This is gauche with a bond dihedral angle of 60 degrees. This is gauche. This is not staggered and it is the eclipsed form. Here it is the staggered form. Here it is also an eclipsed form. So here this is having the maximum dihedral angle, that is 180 degrees. This is the this will be your answer. Okay. Very easy, no? If you understand the concept, fatafat you can solve these questions. Okay. And next two more questions are there. And now the next question is, this was asked in 2021. Arrange the following conformations of N-butane in order of their increasing potential energy. Increasing potential energy means, here first you write down the energy and stability, both are inversely proportional, no? So here you know what are the, here also you have to identify, it is, these are the conformations of N-butane, ethane, N-butane. So here you know what is the stable form of a stable conformation of N-butane, no? So first you write down the stability order. So which is more stable among all these four? Here this is staggered form and it is eclipsed form, it is gauche and it is also eclipsed form. So first you compare which is more stable. One is stability order, one is more stable. Afterward one, it will be gauche, and here there are two eclipsed forms. So if you observe the second one and fourth one, here these two methyl groups are spatially closer, but here these two methyl groups are not spatially closer compared to the second one. So here after the third one, fourth one is more stable than second one. Now you write down the order of potential energy, you reverse this one. Second one is having more potential energy than fourth, than third, than one. Okay. Now look at the fourth question. In the given conformation, if C2 is rotated, this is rotated. If C2 means second carbon, C2 carbon. If C2 is rotated about C2 and C3 bond anti-clockwise by an angle of 120 degrees, then the conformation obtained is, he has given this one. So if you observe this one, this is the C2 carbon and here the circle, the third carbon, this is N-butane conformation, and the second carbon means here the third carbon hydrogen, and here it is the methyl group. So the options given are fully eclipsed, partially. What is meant by fully eclipsed and partially eclipsed? So here if in the eclipsed conformation, if two CH3 groups are exactly spatially closer, this is called as fully eclipsed conformation, like this. And partially eclipsed conformation means like this. Means here will be, you assume here it is CH3, here will be your another carbon CH3. This is partially eclipsed conformation. Okay, this is fully eclipsed and it is partially eclipsed. Okay, now so here he is asking you to rotate the back carbon at an angle of 120 degrees, that's it, and anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means here you assume if it is anti-clockwise, we are rotating starting from 1. So anti-clockwise means this side. Oh, sorry, this is clockwise, no? Anti-clockwise means this side. So if you rotate by keeping the front carbon constant, you rotate the back carbon. So here what you will get? Here is your front carbon, CH3, 4, and you are rotating the back carbon. So this methyl group comes to this side, this hydrogen this side, this hydrogen this side. So methyl group you will get here, and another this methyl group this side, this hydrogen this side, and again this hydrogen this side. This is anti-clockwise. He asked you to rotate anti-clockwise, no? So what is your conformation? Gauche conformation. This will be your answer. Clear? So here if the given conformation, if C2 is rotated about C2C3 bond anti-clockwise by an angle of 120, then the conformation obtained is, okay, this is, the option is Gauche conformation. Okay. So this is about the conformations of ethane and butane and the previous year questions. Okay. If you find my videos are useful to you, then give me one like. Okay. Your one like means a lot for me. It gives me strength and encouragement to do more videos. Okay. Bye.